Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope you all are very well. Today we will learn about migration. I know you all know about the migration because we have already read about migration in class 6. Do you tell me what is called migration? Generally, when we go to one place to another place, that is called migration. But in social science, the migration is a term. What is migration? When someone leaves their place to go to another place, it is called migration. That means when you leave your own place to go to another place, that is called migration. Like you live in Dhaka city for a long time, but for some causes you will shift to Chittagong city and leave the Dhaka city. That is called migration, and you have migrated from Dhaka to Chittagong city. That is called migration. Do you tell me what type of migration are there in social science? Yes, students, there are two types of migration. One is internal migration, and another is international migration. In their term, I hope you all understand that what is internal migration and what is international migration. At first, internal migration. Internal migration is which migration is occurred inside the country. Like my previous example, like Dhaka to Chittagong, that is called internal migration. But what is international migration? When a migration occurred outside of the country, like if we will migrate from Bangladesh to India, that is called international migration. Hope you all understand about the migration and classification of migration. Do you tell me what is the reason behind the migration? Why we will migrate from some place to another place? Do you tell me what is the reason? Let's know about the reason behind the internal and international migration. The reasons are almost same of the internal and international migration, like increased population. When the population of some place is increasing, that time peoples are migrate from here. Like when a family, family members are increasing, that time those family are divided into 2 or 3 parts in another houses. That is called also migration. So it is the reason of migration, increased population. After that, advanced education. From advanced education, peoples are going to the city area. Like our rural peoples are come to city to get advanced education. After that, health service. Where health service are not available or advanced health service are not available, from that place peoples are come to the get advanced health service in city area. After that, job opportunities. Where job opportunities are available, that place peoples are going to migrated that place. Like if we give the example of Narayanganj, Narayanganj is not a crowded city like present time. Now in Narayanganj is a crowd place because of many industrial building and factories are created in Narayanganj, and for that cause many people are migrated in Narayanganj. For better residence, human being are want to lead a better life, and their expectation level is gradually become high and high. For better residence and better life is their want, and they want to lead a better life, and for that cause they stay in a better residence, and that for that cause they shifted from their old residence to a new residence or better residence. That is a reason of migration. After that, marriage is also a reason behind the migration. When especially the women are migrated after marriage from their own home to the in-laws home. That is the reason behind the migration of internal migration and international migration. Both are the migration occurred for this reason. Do you tell me what is the result of the internal and international migration? When we go to one place to another place, that time we think about the better life or the better condition or the advanced situation of our life. But it has both good and bad effect. Obviously, what is the good effect of the migration? Good effect that we will get the advanced education, advanced health service, better residence. That is our good side, and we will develop in economically. When we will get a better job, that time we will become a we develop our financial condition. When we migrate one country to developed country, that time our financial condition, our life expectancy, our standard of living, all of are developed gradually. But it has some bad effect also. Bad effect like when we migrate from some place to other place, our culture also be changed. Like when we go to a Western country, that time our culture also changed. When we go to in Canadian country or European country, that time we will lead our lifestyle like their culture, and we collect some bad habit from here. Good habit also we adopt. After that, another bad effect is varieties flu. When we migrate from one place to another place, we carry some diseases like flu, like our coronavirus. This is one kind of flu, and this virus carry from another country to one country to another country. It is the bad effect of migration. Coronavirus started from China, but it spread in all of the world for migrating one place to another place. These are the bad effect of migration. Students, hope you all are understand about the reason and effects of migration on population of Bangladesh. You will obviously read your book properly and identify the reason behind it. Separately, international migration and international migration, internal migration and international migration, and you will identify the effects of the internal migration and international migration separately, and you will solve the worksheet which is uploaded in your website. Thank you very much, students.